first time ever in Indianapolis, local officials are rethinking the strategy for dealing with the so-called world's oldest profession. The city plans to create a prostitution court, one that will approach the issue as more than just a crime. RTV6's Jack Reinhardt joins us tonight from outside our downtown studio on Monument Circle with details. Jack?
Well, Erica, prostitution is still a crime, and Metro Police will arrest both women and men who engage in that activity. But the creation of a prostitution court, at least, will offer women the opportunity to end a life on the streets. On East 10th Street, prostitution is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week business where there is no rest or respite for the people forced to watch it from their front door.
You can't go out for a walk without someone assuming because you're female, you're for sale.
And I feel bad for the kids that get out to school. You know, they got to see that while they walking home from school. And it's terrible, I would say.
For more than a year, Metro Police have interviewed each woman arrested for prostitution, conducting an assessment of the personal and social choices that drove them to a lifestyle on the streets.
These ladies need housing. They need substance abuse help. They need employment services if we are to ever get them out of the life.
The city plans to create a prostitution court staffed by a judge that will be able to offer a wide range of social services and counseling. It's a change in philosophy, one that now recognizes that Indianapolis has not succeeded in arresting its way out of the problem.
People think it's just about punishment. It actually isn't. Even now there's programs in place, but this will focus more on this population and get them the help they need.
Experts say that more than 70% of the women who engage in prostitution have been sexually molested as children. The people who run Christie's House, which provides long-term counseling for sexually exploited women, says that prostitution courts have proven successful in other cities.
There would be accountability still if they didn't follow through on the options that were provided to them, but there would also be that opportunity, whereas today that just isn't really existent.
Arrest and incarceration may work for some, but for many women, the criminal justice system is nothing more than a revolving door, and the creation of a prostitution court could open a door to a life of hope and recovery. Reporting live on Monument Circle, Jack Reinhardt, RTV6.